Hi and welcome to this guide on mastering SEO website audits. In today's competitive digital landscape, ensuring your website is optimized for performance and visibility is more critical than ever. Stick around as we break down the essential steps to uncover hidden opportunities and boost your online presence. An SEO website audit is like a health checkup for your website. It helps you identify what's working, what's broken, and what needs improvement to drive traffic and boost conversions. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, auditing your website regularly is essential for staying ahead in the digital game. Step 1 is the technical audit. Think of it as the foundation of your website. Here's what you should check. Number 1, site speed. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to ensure your site loads in under 3 seconds. Number 2, mobile friendliness. Test your website's mobile responsiveness using Google's Mobile Friendly test. Number 3, indexability. Ensure all important pages are indexed by Google through your Search Console. Step 2 is the on-page SEO audit, which focuses on optimizing individual pages. Key tasks include checking meta titles and descriptions for keyword usage and length, ensuring your content is engaging, relevant, and contains target keywords. Reviewing headers H1, H2, H3 for proper structure. Adding internal links to guide visitors and search engines to key pages. And now, checking our meta title, meta description, and the headers of our website. Step 3 focuses on content quality, a critical element for both search engines and user satisfaction. To assess your content effectively, you can use several tools. Once you've gathered insights, focus on enhancing value. 1. Update outdated information. 2. Add relevant keywords naturally. 3. Improve visuals with images, infographics, or videos. Now for the off-page audit. This involves analyzing your website's authority and reputation. Use tools like Ahrefs or Moz to check 1. The number and quality of your backlinks. 2. Spammy links that need disavowing. 3. Opportunities to build partnerships for guest posting or outreach campaigns. Step 5 is the analytics and tracking. Finally, dive into your website's analytics. Look for trends in traffic, bounce rates, and conversions. Set up tracking goals in Google Analytics and make sure Search Console is connected to monitor search performance. Once you've completed your audit, prioritize your fixes. Start with high-impact issues like broken links, slow-loading pages, or duplicate content. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key. Thanks for watching. Ready to start your audit? Check out the free checklist in the description below.